Exploded views are a great way to communicate exactly how assemblies come apart and go together. And in SOLIDWORKS 2019, creating and editing exploded views is even easier. A new rollback bar is available when working with exploded views. This new rollback bar works just like the rollback bar in the Feature Manager and can be dragged up and down the tree to help users visualize an explode sequence step by step. Notice that this exploded view has the end cap screws moving after the end cap is already exploded. To remedy the problem, explode steps can now be reordered directly in the Configuration Manager. As the rollback bar is dragged down farther down the tree, we can see that the inner washer stack has not been exploded. As we edit the exploded view, the rollback bar remains in this position in the Property Manager, and any new explode steps are added above the rollback bar. Explode steps can now be named upon creation, eliminating the extra step of having to edit the name after the fact. You can clearly see that the new explode step has been added above the bar and is properly named. The rollback bar can be manipulated here in the Property Manager, and reordering explode steps is much more intuitive. Explode steps can be also now suppressed as well as deleted, and this suppression is available outside of the Edit mode in the Configuration Manager. Creating exploded views can be very beneficial on drawings and for model-based definition, but nothing beats an animation. And now SOLIDWORKS 2019 supports more video file formats. Flash, MKV, and MP4 formats can now be published directly from the Exploded View Animation Controller or with SOLIDWORKS Animator. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words. Well then, an animation must be worth 10 times that. And with the new tools to work with exploded views in SOLIDWORKS 2019, creating this content is easier than ever.